For travelers from the Bahamas, the world is full of wonders, and Japan stands out as a destination rich in culture, history, innovation, and natural beauty. Fortunately for Bahamian passport holders, visiting the land of the rising sun is simpler than ever. Thanks to visa exemption agreements between the two countries, Bahamians can travel to Japan without the need for a visa. But how does this work? How long can you stay? And what are the benefits? Let's explore all the reasons why Japan should be on your bucket list and how easy it is to get there. Japan has established visa exemption arrangements with numerous countries, including the Bahamas. Under this agreement, Bahamian citizens can enter Japan without a visa for short-term stays of up to 90 days. This policy facilitates tourism, cultural exchange, and short business visits, making it incredibly convenient for Bahamians looking to experience Japan. This mutual agreement is a reflection of the strong diplomatic relationship between the two nations. It encourages not just tourism, but also strengthens economic and cultural ties. With a valid Bahamian passport, travelers are free to enjoy a host of experiences across Japan without the bureaucratic hurdles that many other travelers must go through. The current visa exemption allows a stay of up to 90 days, 3 months, for Bahamian passport holders. This is more than enough time to explore Japan's diverse regions, from the neon-lit streets of Tokyo and historic temples of Kyoto to the snowy mountains of Hokkaido and tropical beaches of Okinawa. However, there are some important rules to note. The stay must be for tourism, business meetings, or visiting friends and family, not for work or study. Extensions beyond 90 days are not permitted unless you apply for a visa from within Japan. Travelers must have a passport valid for the duration of the stay and may be asked to show proof of a return or onward ticket. Subscribe for more adventures. Although no visa is needed, there are a few entry requirements Bahamians should be aware of. Your passport must remain valid throughout your stay. You may be asked to show a confirmed return or onward ticket at immigration. Immigration officials may ask for evidence that you can support yourself financially. Be ready to show hotel reservations or contact details for hosts. Japan has strict rules about food, medicines, and animal products. No vaccinations are currently required when entering from the Bahamas unless you've recently visited a yellow fever zone. Visa-free access allows for spontaneous travel. You can catch a last-minute flight, attend an event, or take advantage of seasonal travel deals with minimal paperwork. Avoiding visa fees and waiting periods can save hundreds of dollars and weeks of planning. You get to dive deep into Japan's traditions like geisha performances, kabuki theater, and Japanese tea ceremonies without limitation. Japan is home to global brands and innovative startups. This agreement allows Bahamians to network, attend expos, and explore business ventures freely. Japan serves as a perfect gateway to explore other parts of Asia like South Korea, Taiwan, and China, all within a single journey. Tokyo is a high-energy city of contrasts. Experience sushi at Tsukiji Market, shop in Shibuya, and find serenity at Meiji Shrine. Home to more than 2,000 temples, Kyoto is Japan's cultural heart. Ride a rickshaw through bamboo groves and dress in a kimono for a day. Osaka is a food paradise. Try takoyaki, okonomiyaki, and more in Dotonbori. The nightlife here is vibrant and less formal than Tokyo. For snow lovers and nature fans, Hokkaido offers ski resorts, hot springs, and stunning landscapes. Visit in February for the Sapporo Snow Festival. Okinawa has tropical beaches, a relaxed vibe, and great diving spots. Okinawa's island culture is a great match for Bahamians seeking sun and sand. Japan is extremely polite and respectful, traits that Bahamians will appreciate and relate to. But a few differences may surprise you. Always remove shoes when entering someone's home or traditional lodging. Avoid loud conversations on trains or buses. Many places still prefer cash over credit cards. A slight bow is a polite way to greet or thank someone. Good service is expected, and tipping can be seen as rude. Respect for local customs goes a long way and enhances your travel experience. Budgeting tips. Make the most of your yen. Japan doesn't have to be expensive. Here's how to travel smart. Stay in capsule hotels or business hotels. They're clean, affordable, and centrally located. Eat like a local. Try ramen shops, sushi trains, and konbini, or convenience stores for tasty, budget-friendly meals. Use a JR pass. If you're traveling across multiple cities, a Japan Rail Pass saves a lot on transport. Free attractions are everywhere. Many parks, temples, and museums are free or low cost. A modest daily budget of 8,000 to 12,000 yen, which is around $55 to $85 USD, can cover accommodation, food, and transport comfortably. Sample 14-day itinerary for Bahamians. Here's a sample itinerary to help you make the most of your trip. Day 1 to 3 Tokyo. Explore Shibuya, shop in Harajuku, visit the Imperial Palace, and try karaoke. Day 4 to 5 Nikko or Hakone. Take a day trip to the mountains for hot springs and nature. Day 6 to 9 Kyoto and Nara. See golden temples, bamboo forests, and friendly deer in Nara Park. Day 10 to 11 Osaka. Indulge in street food and visit Universal Studios Japan. Day 12 to 13 Hiroshima and Miyajima. Explore peace memorials and see the famous floating Torii Gate. Day 14, return to Tokyo and fly out. Shop for souvenirs and savor one last bowl of ramen. With 90 days available, you can stretch this itinerary or add more cities like Fukuoka, Sapporo, or Okinawa. Thinking long-term? If Japan captures your heart, there are options beyond short-visit student visas for those interested in language or cultural studies. Working visas, if you receive a job offer, cultural exchange programs, volunteer opportunities with certain organizations. Keep in mind that working holiday visas are not yet available to Bahamians, but as diplomatic ties evolve, that may change. A unique chance for Bahamians. Visa-free access to Japan is more than a travel perk. It's an open door to one of the world's most fascinating cultures. Whether you're tasting authentic ramen, witnessing cherry blossom season, or soaking in an onsen under the stars, the memories will last a lifetime. It's an immersive journey that blends discovery, serenity, and authentic cultural connection, offering Bahamians a deeper perspective on the world beyond our shores. And with 90 days of access, you have more than enough time to explore at your own pace. For Bahamians, this opportunity reflects the strength of international relations and opens the door to personal discovery, global friendships, and unforgettable experiences that enchanting dynamic curiosity and transformative for everyone. Subscribe for more adventures. Happy travels! Ready to explore more countries without a visa? Looking for local travel hacks, budget tips, and destination guides tailored just for Bahamians? Subscribe now to stay updated on new visa-free destinations, cultural tips, and once-in-a-lifetime travel experiences. Don't wait for the world to come to you. Go see it, one country at a time. Happy travels!